Welcome to the C++ programming step-by-step from beginner to ultimate level course by Learning Hub Academy. Before starting the course, we just take a simple overview of C++. This course is for everyone who want to learn C++ from beginner to ultimate level. C++, pronounced as C++, is a programming language begins as an expanded version of C. C++ is a middleware, or you can say that this is a middle level programming language. C++ is statically typed, compiled and general purpose case sensitive free-form programming language that supports procedural, object-oriented programming language and generic programming. C++ is fully supports object-oriented programming, which is include the four pillars of object-oriented development, which is encapsulation, data hiding, inheritance, and polymorphism. Before starting the course, we will see what we will cover the things in this course. At the first stage, we cover the introduction to the C++. Then we cover the environment setup. In environment setup, we just install and download our IDEs what we are work on. In third step, we are see the basics of the C++, where we see variables, data types, data type concept, reference variable, and the understanding of input and output, etc. At fourth step, we will see the hands-on the operators and its type. We will see arithmetic operators, commas and the conditions, relational operator and the logical operator. The next we will see the decision making and the control flow. In next step, we will see the hands-on C++ decision making and the control flow. In this section, we will see if-else statement, statement control, C++ program that run the leap year, switch, break and continue statement. Moreover, we will see the loops in C++, which are do-while loop, for loop and while loop. In next step, we will see the functions in C++. In this section, we will see how to create the function, user-defined functions, and the reference or call by a function. In next step, we will learn about the arrays and its type. In another section, we will see C++ pointers. In this section, we will learn about the null pointer, void pointer, introduction to the pointer, and program that run pointers and array together. In another section, we will see about the string in C++. We will also see the C++ beyond the basics. After the basic section, we will move through the object-oriented programming in C++. In this section, we will learn about the classes and the object, the accessing data member, the class member of the function, the concept of the access specifier, understand the class constructor, copy constructor, friend function, inline function, and this pointer. After this object-oriented concept, we will see the first pillar of the object-oriented programming, which is inheritance and its type. In this section, we will understand about the inheritance, a program that runs inheritance in C++ and multi-level inheritance. After this section, we will hands-on some advanced object-oriented concept. In this section, we will learn about the function overloading, encapsulation, abstractions, or a data hiding concept in C++, exception handling in C++, polymorphism in C++, template, and recursion in C++. After that section, we will learn about some of the file handling in C++. In this section, we will understand the file handling concept, the file handling text file, the file handling writing a file. After this, we will learn about the data structure in C++. We will learn about the data structure in C++ in Introduction to the Data Structure, the data structure stack, and the queue concepts. After this, we will learn about the templates in C++. Then exception handling in C++, and at the last, the hands-on the dynamic memory in C++. If you have any question, you can post your questions on Udemy question and answer section, or you can directly message me. Thanks for watching and taking my course. Wish you best of luck for your future.